Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Immigration rules are subject to change. Please verify all information with official UK government sources and consult with a qualified immigration advisor for your specific circumstances. Akbar Immigration Law Chambers cannot be held responsible for any decisions made based on this video. Breaking news for international students. The UK government has announced major changes to the graduate visa route, and if you're planning to study in the UK, you need to hear this. Starting January 1st, 2027, the UK's graduate visa route is being shortened significantly. If you complete a bachelor's degree or master's degree, your graduate visa will be reduced from 2 years to just 18 months. That's 6 months less to find a job, gain work experience, and potentially transition to a skilled worker visa. But here's the important part. If you're doing a PhD or other doctoral level qualification, you're not affected. Doctoral graduates will still be eligible for a 3-year graduate visa. Who is affected? Let's be clear about who this impacts. Most affected: international students who apply for the graduate visa route on or after January 1st, 2027, after completing a UK bachelor's or master's degree. Protected: if you complete your course and apply for a graduate visa before January 1st, 2027, the old 2-year rule still applies to you. You're protected. Important for students finishing in late 2026. If you're on a 1-year master's program that finishes near the end of 2026, confirm your official course completion date with your university. If it falls after January 1st, 2027, you'll be subject to the new 18-month rule. Current graduate visa holders are also not impacted by this new rule. Why the change? So why is the government doing this? The decision to shorten the graduate route is motivated by the government's objective to control net migration. The government cites internal data suggesting that many graduates on the visa are not moving into graduate-level employment, which is what the route was intended to facilitate. The goal is to encourage a faster transition into highly skilled roles. This change is part of broader immigration reforms introduced in response to the May 2025 Immigration White Paper, which aims to reduce net migration across multiple visa routes. Broader reforms. Here are the other key changes you should know about. English language requirements from January 8, 2026. Certain work visa routes will require B2 level English instead of the current requirement. This is a higher standard. University compliance. Universities sponsoring international students will face stricter compliance rules. Longer path to settlement. For many visa routes, the qualifying period for indefinite leave to remain could increase from 5 years to potentially 10 years. New entrepreneurship pathway. Students can now switch to the Innovator Founder visa from November 25th, 2025. A positive option if you're thinking about starting a business. What this means for you. So what's the real impact? Here's what you need to know. Reduced time for job searches. With only 18 months instead of 2 years, you'll have less time to find a graduate-level job that offers visa sponsorship. 6 months can make a real difference in a competitive job market. Increased pressure for sponsorship. You'll feel more pressure to secure a job and transition to a skilled worker visa quickly. The job must be at RQF level 6 or above and meet salary thresholds. Lower competitiveness. For the UK, university leaders have expressed concern that the shorter post-study work period will make the UK a less attractive destination for international students. Other countries like Canada and Australia offer longer post-study work visas. Impact on career planning. You'll need to start your career planning and job searches earlier. Don't wait until you're close to graduation. Begin networking, applying for positions, and building your professional profile from your second year onwards. What you should do now. If you're an international student considering the UK, here's what we recommend. 1. If you're planning to graduate before January 1st, 2027, apply for your graduate visa under the current 2-year scheme. You'll have more time to find employment. 2. Start building your professional network now. Connect with employers, attend industry events, and gain relevant work experience during your studies. 3. Confirm your official course completion date with your university if you're finishing near the end of 2026. 4. Consider whether the Innovator Founder Visa might be an option for you if you have a business idea. 5. If you have questions about your specific situation, book a consultation with us. We can advise you on the best route for your circumstances. These changes are significant, but they're not insurmountable. With proper planning and early action, you can still achieve your goals in the UK. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on UK immigration changes. And if you have questions, leave them in the comments below or book a free consultation with us using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.